Hi, thanks for taking a look at this really clean 2017 Cadillac Platinum Coach XTS Phoenix. As we go down the side here, you'll see Cadillac, the color black, full vinyl tuxedo top. Does have the pillar chrome, both the B and C pillar, kind of blends in nicely with the polished crown band. It also does have the full composite doors, so the doors and the body all around the back never ever have to worry about corrosion. As you can see, as we look at the load door, this coach is appointed with 3-piece load door stainless. Just a nice little bit of polished trim here, go around the Cadillac logo. Does have your scuff pad, really nice for when you're putting the casket in. If unforeseen circumstances where the casket doesn't get up onto the roller, it will not do any damage to the paint. This unit is equipped with a bumper protector carpet. Very nice for full services, and if you need to, simply remove it on a earn service, and then we move right to the built-in earn valet, which is large enough to fit a baby casket if the unfortunate circumstances arise. As you see, the really clean burl floor. This is a very simple process here of installing these arms that hold the urn in place. So we'll take a look at how easy it is on a cremation service. Obviously, getting the coach out on that is very important these days. Have a couple of nice potted flowers. Just simply set the urn in there, put the arms against it, tighten it up, and you have a really nice display when taking the coach from the funeral home to church. So as we look inside here, this coach is equipped with the gray titanium interior with the black curtains. Just a nice little contrast. As you see in the back, makes for a very nice display. So as we look in the church truck door here, we'll see it has the nameplate brackets up here on the top of the door, umbrella storage area, along with a closed truck with a flip lid. Allows you to put your church truck in, a little easier to get it up there, whether you lay it down or leave it standing up. Makes it much easier and keeps this sill here clean of any damage. In our left number 2 door here, you'll see the same flip lid, which allows you easy access to a full-size spare tire and your urn arms. This is just a nice area to keep them along with your jack kit. God forbid if you ever do need the spare tire. Ready? Go. So, as we get in the driver's compartment here of this 2017 Cadillac XTS chassis coach, you'll see I'm 6'2", plenty of leg room. This does have the electronic telescoping wheel, also goes up and down. Has your steering wheel controls for the radio, cruise control, things like that. You have your touch screen over here for your AC, your radio, your traction control, all your other functions of the radio and the coach itself. In here we do have the USB port, which has your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which will display up on the dash. Also have a drink holder hidden along with your glove box. Up here we do have the controls for strobe lights. It is what we call pre-wired. This coach is currently not equipped with them right now, but the wiring is rolled up in a small coil up on under the hood, and makes life nice and easy if you were to want to install some strobe lights. If you're interested in getting some more information or a quote on this coach, please reach out to us, 1-800-229-5008, or on the web at www.parkssuperior.com. Thank you.